PlayStation Remote Play has changed the way I game when I travel, so today I want to go over how to quickly and simply set up Remote Play so you can game on the go too. I'm using a standard iPad, which means you don't need the newest, latest and greatest iPad Pro to play PlayStation games from anywhere in the world. Stay tuned for the end for me to let you know how well I think Remote Play works in 2023. Hey, my name's Arnell with Arnley Tech. On this channel, we believe that tech was made to make our lives easier, so we're here to help you understand and discover that tech that improves your life. So the first step is to turn on your PlayStation 5 or your PlayStation 4, and you heard me correctly, you can use all of these same steps regardless of which PlayStation you're playing on. Then you're going to go to Settings and go to Remote Play. After you've turned on Remote Play and you've made sure that it's enabled, go over to the power saving features and make sure that you turn on features available in rest mode. You're going to need to toggle on stay connected to the internet, and you're going to need to toggle on enable turning on PlayStation from the network. So now jumping over to the iPad, you're going to download the PlayStation Remote Play app, and you're going to go ahead and sign into your PlayStation network with your ID. And once you've signed in, you're going to confirm that you've enabled Remote Play on your PlayStation. Then it's going to do all of the work for you. Once you've identified which PlayStation that you want to connect to for Remote Play, you're pretty much all set. From here, you can technically stop and you can actually play your PlayStation games via the on-screen controls on the iPad. I definitely don't recommend that though, because it's a little bit wonky. So you're actually going to want to connect your Dualsense controller that you use for the PlayStation over to your iPad so you can have a seamless experience. All you're going to do is press down the PlayStation button on the controller and the share button on the controller as well. You're going to hold these buttons down until you see the lights next to the touchpad glow, and at that point the PlayStation controller is actually in pairing mode. And then all you're going to have to do is just go to your Bluetooth settings on your iPad and you'll see it right there as the Dualsense controller. Tap on that and you are connected and good to go. Now you can play your PlayStation games the same as you would on your PlayStation 5. Now for my thoughts on how Remote Play is working in 2023. Honestly, I'm very surprised. It works flawlessly. I experience very minimal, if any, lag at all. There's no latency that I can personally experience, and I'm able to play my AAA games like Final Fantasy 16 and play some other simple games with very little lag. Awesome experience. And when I'm playing online with like Fortnite and things like that, I'm experiencing no lag at all. So I hope this video was helpful and informative, and definitely check out these videos right here where we go over some of our gaming headsets. You're definitely going to want to pick up a good gaming headset to use while you're on the go gaming on the iPad. Until next time, peace.